What's up guys? Welcome to the podcast. Nico here with Mario and Graham. And sorry, it's been a while again sa kasanayan ninyo, no? Pero it's Gilas season. And also, before we talk about yung mga specific Gilas matchups that are coming this week, pag-usapan muna natin yung mga latest Gilas development news. Kasi sobrang wild na nangyari over the past weekend na hindi na kailangan namin i-discuss lahat ngayon. Number one, isa-isahin natin, no? Start small. Mikey Williams to Converge 1 year. That's the smallest na. Number two development is that QMB has finally reached an agreement with Gilas Pilipinas. Number three, Mike Phillips, which is out of nowhere, no? Ito something being done behind behind the scenes. Na nagulat na lang tayo na, oh wow, no, na local. Consider na local si Mike Phillips, which means na see you next time. See you never Japit kasi meron na tayong kapalit mo. And last one
Wait,
is
is that for Gilas or is that for Hinebra?
oh my god. Oo nga no, kayo yung may first Gustera Firmas. Anyway, it's not a PBA episode. Pero if you know, you know. If you know, you know. And then the last one is there was a mention in an article saying that sa MSN ba yun or something. Basta nakita natin na the reason kay Soto, according to reports, not from us, just from what we read, na the reason they're holding out not just from the injury is because they want to protect his interests na may possible short-term contract daw with the NBA. So yung didiscuss namin is it the right decision? Personally, is it wrong? Nasan kaming tatlo muna, nasan kami when it comes to Kai Soto's decision to hold out, try to protect those knees that are that recently came back from an ACL injury, and we are all going to discuss that. Let's first start with Mikey Williams. 1 year with Converge. What kind of Mikey Williams are we going to see, boys?
Graham, go ahead. I guess maybe.
Um,
Sorry.
yeah, probably 85% of what he was.
85. That's high, no? Or realistic?
85,
Or-
right?
That's
the
high.
floor.
I'm at
That's
7.
the floor that I'm setting.
That's the floor.
Again,
The floor.
Floor or
Mario
ceiling?
seems to be is Mikey Williams.
No. What's
Ceiling.
85%? 85% is the floor. Now, what you
That's the
expect na
floor.
when the
Yeah.
floor.
Ceiling is-
That's my
Wow,
Mikey
ceiling.
Will-
That's my ceiling
Really?
for him
Oh,
also.
Okay.
I'm at
Alright.
70,
I mean,
65, 70. Oh.
you've seen Mikey sa SGA. You probably have the better opinion on this. I'm just saying that guy's
Does
scary.
Mikey still haunt you?
I'm
From
sure
last-
yeah, okay, yeah.
Off the glass
This is
3-pointer
personal.
up 1 Game 6 2023
I
Commissioner's Cup
remember
Finals
that.
or Governor's Cup
Sabi.
Finals, diba?
Speaking,
That
that's
hurts.
trauma talking. That's
I
trauma.
mean,
Sakit nun, naalala ko yun.
Yeah,
Sakit dun
right?
kasi,
Until
Like-
proven, Nico gave me tickets for that game. Until proven otherwise,
wow,
until
he
proven
did,
otherwise,
did
yeah, he
I-
did.
he?
I-
give me
Gave you
tickets.
tickets. And where was
Daily
I? in
fantasy
this
yun.
moment?
Wala, binigay lang. I asked you first. You said you didn't want to watch.
I think I was in Tagaytay.
You didn't want to watch. I offered to you first. You
See?
didn't want to watch.
Yeah, if that's the that's the Mikey Williams that we're gonna see. So sorry, that's my last memory of Mikey Williams. So it's kind of hard to forget that.
Is it like
was that the
yung Kevin yung Paul George dream where you wake up when you wake up you're in a cold sweat yung Gatorade commercial
Oh,
niya
parang
dati.
yeah, yung parang ganun. Yung blue ata siya nun, diba? But yeah, if that's the Mikey Williams that Converge is gonna get, then that's a cheat code. Pero my floor is around 85%, which is still a good player. Siguro mga
85% of Mikey Williams is a very good player, bro.
Yeah, siguro mga 22 Stanley Pringle. Parang ganun. That's that a fair comparison?
That's not bad. I would say that's not bad.
But,
Parang
yeah.
Stanley Pringle against Bay Area. Parang ganun.
Yeah,
Yung
I get
version ni
where
Stanley
you're at. Maverick Hamisi against Bay Area. Yung mga ganun. No, not Mav. Stanley's better, obviously.
Yeah, that's
Oh,
what I expect. And again, the prophecies, right? They're gonna win a championship before Magnolia. That's guaranteed now, I believe. That's guaranteed now, I believe.
I mean, considering he only has one conference to play, I wouldn't say it's a guarantee. But I think the other moves that Converge made kind of makes it a guarantee that they can win one sooner than Magnolia. They got
Mario, it's a
Calvin.
1-year deal, not a one conference deal. It's a 1-year
Mhm.
deal.
That's only 3 conferences, guys. That's not
Yeah, you said
long.
Well, let's long for Mikey. He's been out of the PBA for 154 weeks.
Damn.
Wow.
Wow.
But dude, Converge made other moves din kasi na hindi lang yung Mikey. Like, they got
Yeah.
Calvin, they got JV Mokon, right?
No,
Yeah,
no,
he's a
no.
No,
They got
Meralco.
Mokon went
Polly.
Meralco.
They got
They
Oh,
got
si
Polly.
Policarpio.
Policarpio. Yeah.
They got Jonel Policarpio, which I think is a good addition as long as he plays. Hey, wink. As long as Jonel plays, man, he could be a very good addition for Converge. Wala silang tapon na player from 1 to
Wala
10.
nga.
I think their 1 to 10 is Juan, Mikey, Balti,
Justin.
Arana, Stockton, and then you go to their bench,
You have Abueva.
Abueva,
You have
Policarpio,
Archie.
Archie,
Nakakalimutan
Concepcion.
pa natin yung mga yun, no? Sina Archie na biglang
Yeah.
naging 10th,
Did
11th
Larry
fringe man
Muyang,
play.
did Larry Muyang get traded na, no?
I
No.
have seen no news pa.
No. He's
Oh,
there.
Larry Muyang,
Yeah.
We're
di
forgetting
pagtapos
about
si
Alex
Larry.
Stockton, bro. Alex
Oh, is it
You
Stockton's
Stockton?
mentioned, you
still
mentioned
there.
Alec. You mentioned
Oh,
Alec.
meron ba?
Which is crazy. Which is crazy na nauna pa siya mula kay Shani, no? All this time, if I'm a betting man, I would have bet
You are,
Alec would have gone.
It was all,
No,
it
I'm
was
not.
all pointing
Alec would
towards
have been
Alec
gone.
nga first, 'di ba? It
Oo,
was all
diba?
pointing towards Alec first.
Yeah, there were a lot of rumors na. I mean, after he fouled Jeremiah Gray, we thought he was gone. Diba?
yeah.
He stayed,
Dude,
man. He stayed.
not just that, man. I'm on yun nga, talking about the Shani trade. First of all, I love that for Shani. I'll tell you that.
Yeah.
I think he'll probably be number 2 on NLEX, maybe number 3 at worst. Depends on who you would prefer between him and Cyrus Torres. I know, sorry, number 4 because Nico, JP Bahio pa pala. I'm so sorry.
All-star JB
Yeah,
Bahio, by the
All-Star
way.
All-star
Don't
JV
forget
Bahio.
that.
I'm sorry. I forgot all about All-Star JB Bahia. But yeah, but going back to the Mikey thing, I think it's first of all, it's good for the PBA that we'll see him again. I will say though, this may be one of the last times we see him. Uh, I don't know.
Yeah, feel ko
I
last
doubt.
hura na to. Mga last 2
Yeah,
years na Mario.
yeah. I feel like
Sino?
after this contract, maybe one more at max. Pero pati yun, medyo
Sino?
Mikey.
Mikey. Feel niya,
Mikey.
Mario
Okay.
feels Mikey is at the tail end of his career. So yun, sa comment section, if you reach this point, comment what you think where Mikey is headed towards. If this is a resurgence or this is the start of the end.
By the way, Converge still has David Defonso.
Yes, they do. They have Dave.
Pero wala pa
But
ata
he
siya
hasn't
ngayong
signed.
conference di ba?
Tatapusin niya may
siya.
contract obligations with Abra.
Yeah,
Ah.
I'm not surprised.
Anong tagal ba yun? I mean,
Bro, with a guy like Dave, ang tagal nung contract mo pag si Dave yung ano mo. Kasi face card, skill level.
Champion, di ba? Champion sila
Champion.
sa Abra.
No, man.
Yeah.
It's not like
Ah.
sila Gio Chun and Jason Brickman. Si Gio kasi I think they Gio was second string ata eh. If I'm remembering it
Yung mga
correctly.
20 minutes a game lang siya sa MP, di ba?
Yeah, di siya starter. So, and then Brickman naman, I think talagang 1 year deal lang siya. So, I think that's why kay Dave is a bit different. But, dude, Mikey will for sure help them. I don't know how it will fit that well, if I'm being honest.
yeah, yun yung
Kasi,
mahirap.
Yeah.
Although he can play
kasi,
shooting guard.
yeah, but dude, Juan needs the ball. Mikey needs the ball, brother. Arana needs the ball. Yung Baltazar, pwede ko pang ipaglaban na he can play off ball kahit papaano kasi he rebounds well, finishes well, so he can benefit from that. Pati si Stockton, pwede maging spot up. But do you really think you'll relegate either Juan or Mikey to being a spot up shooter? I doubt it.
Hindi pwede. One has
That's the
needs to have the
problem
ball.
nung ano eh. That's the problem nung Luka LeBron combo
Yeah.
or Harden Westbrook combo or Chris Paul Harden combo, di ba na? They both need the ball. Mahirap. Although Juan and Mikey
I think it has a good chance of working pa rin though. Kasi yung shooting nila pareho is mabigat.
Yeah.
Like it's not like LeBron and Luka. LeBron naman isn't a great shooter. So but then needs the ball pa rin sila pareho yung kay Juan and Mikey. But aside from that, dude, talagang steal yan for Converge. And at least they're able to get something out of that trade with Jordan Heading, diba? At first it was like they traded Jordan for nothing. So at least now they got some return out of it, even if it's only for one conference. They'll still get something out.
One season.
Sorry, one year. Sorry, my bad.
Okay, good.
But yeah.
Bro, you forgot the trade with Shani. Meralco, Converge also got Kurt Rayson, your GOAT, man.
Oh, really? Did they got Kurt?
Yeah,
I
they
didn't
got
know they got
Kurt
Kurt.
Rayson.
They got
Pampanga
Kurt
guy yun,
I didn't know
di
they
ba?
got
Pampanga
Kurt. I
ba?
didn't know they got
Si
Kurt.
Rayson?
Huh?
Is he a Pampanga guy?
Pampanga si Kurt.
I
Pampanga si
think
Kurt.
I think and this is no disrespect to Converge. The first requirement to be a player is marunong ka
Kapampangan.
magkapampangan. Parang remember yung yung 2011 Heat to 2018 Cavs. You have to be a clutch player to be Do you have to be represented by
Yeah.
Rich
Clutch
Paul
Sports Management. Yeah, Clutch
to
Sports.
be halfway in sa sa LeBron
90% in.
Dude,
Oh, you're
yeah.
clutch. All right.
It's like sa corporate world, that's what we call bilingual pay. Yeah.
Wow.
Bilingual. Yeah, actually, pag
Yeah,
bilingual.
if you learn if you know how to speak another language,
Usually pag
you get
Chinese, if you know how to
you get
speak
premium pay.
Chinese,
Spanish, di ba?
20%
Spanish is,
bump. Yeah.
yeah, di ba? This is what we call
Yeah, he speaks
bilingual pay.
Lo siento.
Yeah,
But
sa
anyway.
I7. Sa I7.
Hey.
Get out, Graham.
Hey, that's pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. I think I speak Kapampangan. So Converge, if you're looking for another player, I know how to speak Kapampangan.
PT. Upo
I'm
kayo ni
from
Mario.
My dad's from Pampanga, bro. Wait, I can do this. Apulu, Metong, Adwa, Atlu, something like that. That's like what? That's 1, 2, 3 in Kapampangan.
Send ko kay Delta yan. Send ko kay Delta. True,
Hey, man.
Jacob, pakiano naman to.
Keep an eye on your email address, brother.
I'm just saying, but yeah, I think it's just a good pickup, no matter what you say. Even if it is hard for them to probably share the ball, it's just that you have another go-to guy at the end of the day. Yun lang talaga yun. And that's gonna be pretty big for them. When does he start? Does he start sa Governors?
Mikey?
Yeah.
I think go agad, di ba?
Yeah, I don't know. That's what I'm asking. I genuinely don't know.
I mean, if they reach an agreement, he doesn't have any contract outside of Converge, then dapat go agad siya.
Yeah, so
Which is
him
smart
plus they
together.
got that import from the Lakers from before, si Kyler Kelly ba yun? We'll make an import episode, but yeah, dude, Converge I think has gotten the best locals in this off season for the PBA.
Yeah.
They picked up Calvin, Polly, and Mikey,
And
although
Rayson.
and Rayson, yeah, and Kurt Rayson for and they're gonna be a lot better for you. You basically traded for 4 main pieces ng team mo. Like bigla ka na lang like well, yun yung depth. You literally traded for depth from top to bottom. So Converge obviously is very benefits from that a lot, man.
Yeah, I said this before. I said this a few days ago. I'll say it again. The Ninoy Aquino Stadium will be packed for the TNT Converge finals, man. All 4,500 seats will be filled.
Well, yeah, it's Kylo. You got bowl now, bro. Which is
Yeah.
Gusto ko yung yung bowl mo, may slang.
Yeah,
May twang pala, bowl.
Brother,
bowl.
I am not gonna try. I'm not gonna make the mistake of not doing it with an accent because I know myself. I'm gonna mess it up at some point.
Yeah.
Ano sasabihin mo, ha?
Yeah.
Like, bro, I'm gonna have to do it. Almarwani, bowl, it's all the same to me, man. Like, I'm gonna
Imagine if TNT got Titing Manalili, bro.
Damn, what a starting 5, no?
Yeah.
Okay, next one sa pag-uusapan natin is QMB finally committing with Gilas. At the end of the day, it was just contract disputes, contract negotiations, and some things had to happen behind the scenes to make this happen, but we're glad. And I saw, by the way, dagdag ko na rin, I saw spoke with QMB mga 20 minutes dun sa, we had a trade night kasi in a card shop. Turns out he's a big Pokemon guy.
I'm not surprised by that.
Yeah, so nakakatawa lang. And we talked about the contract for a bit, and he was like, man, sometimes things get overblown, and ano lang talaga, contract lang talaga. Well, kailangan natin yan against New Zealand and Australia, which you guys will check in our next episode. The preview,
By the
Gilas
way,
preview.
Bro,
By the way, for everybody out there, you're welcome, okay?
I was about to go there.
We are providing blueprints left and right for how to get these dudes. The only thing that has not worked was us trying to get San Beda into the UAAP. But everything.
Yet. We
Yet,
haven't
yet,
heard
yet.
anything yet.
Wala pa final decision. Well, to be fair, I think there is a final decision na. But man, I'll let Graham carry on with this point because I think he can explain it better than me. But you're welcome, guys. At
Yeah.
some point, man. Like the day after that video came out, like bang, man.
Ay,
It's great. Go ahead, man.
yeah, no, I was about to go there na parang no, it's not even probably a day. Parang the morning kasi gabi tayo nag-record, di ba? Pag
Uh,
the morning of recording, we received the news na hey, pang okay na si QMB. So nagtatawa na lang tayo, but we
I think it has nothing to do with the three of us actually having any influence. I think it's just
Wala
us
naman.
Mm.
we're just speaking it into existence. Na, hey man, it could end up happening for us, man. Go
yeah.
ahead.
Yeah, I agree. But this is good kasi man, we're gonna talk about Gilas in New Zealand sa next episode. But if we lose to New Zealand without Kai and without QMB, we'll never forgive ourselves as a basketball country. Parang we did not send the best. I mean, we will not be sending the best technically kasi wala si Kai. Pero still, 'di ba? We were not able to field in the guys that we wanted to be. And at least with QMB, we have the big that we need along with Junmar. And but the
What?
no, if you didn't hear it, then you did not hear it. But at the end, they maliit yung lineup na pinild na New Zealand. I mean, it's significantly smaller than their best lineup, a lineup that they can have. So having QMB for that window, also against Australia, that's something else. Made me smile really.
Plus, man, I'm just gonna add this. I don't want to be the guy who says I told you so, but guys, Q is not the type of guy who would just gain local status para lang
For the cloud.
gamitin yun to get to be an Asian import. It just never was that he was never that type of guy, man. And I'm sure Nico can attest to this. He's just not that type of guy talaga. So when people made those claims na ginamit lang niya yung SVP para maging um Asian import. Brother, no, we knowing Q's character talaga, man. He wanted to play. There was probably nga some contract disputes. Although, if I'm being honest with you, I've never fully understood these contract disputes sa Gilas and everything because I don't know where I saw this na parang yung the US players don't even get paid that much and all those things, whatever. So, I am hoping na in the future wala na yung mga political, that's
Oo,
impossible.
man.
Pero man,
It's
ang bigat kasi.
2028 na yung mga political natin. For now,
Yeah.
let's just do basketball.
Like, I know politics as a pol sci student and a pol sci major.
Mhm.
I was taught that politics is everywhere, and that's true naman. I'm not gonna pretend like that's not true. But uh, in sports, especially when you're just trying to represent the country, I hope na walang ganyanan, or I hope na talagang there's no politics involved in it, even if it's basically impossible na wala. But then, man, kasi the best of talents, even the current pool we have, we can even say na may iba dun na can be replaced by other players if walang
Yeah,
politics involved. Diba?
absolutely.
Like Berto probably is one of the names we can bring up. Manong is one of the names we can bring up, although I think Manong's one of the Arvin Tolentino is another name we can bring up. Matthew, right? Bobby
Yeah.
Ray. Yung maraming names na can be the
Love how you
Gilas
said
lineup.
Matthew, right?
So he said
Pun
Matthew,
intended.
right? Nasabi niya, di ba? Sabi niya,
Unintended.
Matthew, right?
So, I didn't mean it that way, but yeah. So
Parang
yun
yung
nga.
Mike Philippines mo, no? If you know, you know. Mga nasa Facebook group.
Brother, by the way, I did not mean to do that. That's hilarious, though. I'm just saying.
Autocorrect na Facebook. Mike Philippines.
I remember I posted that while I was in class. Tapos
Mike Philippines.
I didn't check it after. But yeah, hey, good leeway by the way. Yeah, Mike Phillips is also a local.
Mm.
For
There in a second.
Gilas. Question, I have a genuine question. Now that you know Mike is a local, do you just throw him in right away for New Zealand, Australia?
Yeah.
I don't think you can. I don't think Coach Tim would do that.
pero wala naman siya sa pool.
If
di
you
ba?
were the coach, not Coach Tim.
Coach
If
Tim's
you
not
were
gonna
the
do
coach,
that. Coach Tim's not the type to do that. Knowing him,
yeah, no, yun nga. Let's
kung
say you're not
tayo.
Coach Tim. Yeah, kung kayo,
Oo, agad.
would you just throw him in there already?
Yeah, why not? I mean,
Nico, you.
Ah, hirap.
Yeah, I get it. It's kind of
Mahirap,
hard.
mahirap na insert mo lang eh.
Yeah, because at this point, I
Hindi
think
ako
you're kind
opposed though. Hindi ako opposed. I want him
yeah,
there.
gets. But at this point, it's kind of hard kasi you're gonna have to leave out one of Balti, Q, AJ, and AJ,
Junmar.
diba? No, you're not gonna leave out Junmar. I doubt you're leaving Junmar out.
So I'll take out
Or
Balti.
oh, you take out Balti. Oh,
Take
I
it,
respect.
Balti. Woo!
Oh.
Yeah, I mean, he's the only choice that you can take out.
I don't know. Do AJ Edu and Mike Phillips not have the same skill set?
That's the thing. You'll have two AJ Edos.
Oh, hey, good point. I'm not gonna. That's a good
I
point.
mean,
You
I'd
may
rather
have
have two AJ Edos than one AJ Edo. And
you cooked me on that one. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, you're right. You're right.
Yeah.
But yeah, dude. First of all, by the way, congrats to Mike. Happy for Mike. I know Mike's wanted this Philippine local status for a while, right? And so
if people had doubts with QMB, meaning the sorry, if people had doubts with QMB na parang gusto niya talaga maging Filipino, then Mike, no doubt. This
Yeah,
guy
Mike
plays like a
won.
Filipino. This guy's a Filipino. Right?
Yeah. Mike has one. And I like, dude, Mike's been playing in DLSU for 4 years, 5 years. How long did Mike play?
Kinompleto niya. Kinompleto
25.
niya yun.
Yeah,
84,
like
85.
he only played 1 year eh. So I think that's why people were like, oh, he only played 1 year. Wala naman siyang attachment sa UP or sa Philippines. Mike has played here for 5 years in a row, man. So yun, I really believe.
Nagtatagalog. He
Nagtatagalog.
tries.
Yun nga.
Tapos bro, God did, bro. God did. But yeah, I'm glad. I think it's a really good insertion for a Gilas team also. And any Gilas team would be good with Mike Phillips, man. Yun nga, I think Graham got it on point. You have another AJ Edu. Maybe without the shooting, but I would say with
6'8", 6'6", 6'7", AJ Edu.
yeah.
I didn't mean by that. Just it's really Mike's height.
I always do that, by the way. You won't escape that, and whenever I hear it, then I'll do it.
Delete.
I like it. I like Mike being a local. And now I think if we can finally say na this is probably Japet's what's this called?
Swan song. Tapos na.
Not
Tapos
naman swan
talaga.
song, but more like this is his green light to finally retire in complete. Like he can
But to be
actually
fair kay
retire.
Japet, matagal niya gusto mag-retire. Pinipilit lang siya
Yung totoo
bumalik.
naman yun.
Talagang
Pinipilit lang
si
siya.
Coach Tim
And-
naman
and-
yung, hey Japet, come back.
You're right.
Yeah. Bro,
You're right.
in fairness with Japet, di ba sa Mario, nakalbo na nga ako because the way he played with Ginebra. Sa Gilas, hindi naman ganun eh. Di ba?
I will say different, brother. There was a play. There was a play
I mean,
remember
yeah, of
before.
course. Of course,
The-
there will be.
No, the game tying play was a Japet 3.
I
forgot
remember
which-
that game.
I forgot which game that was, but yeah.
Yeah, kind of forgot what that was. But I remember what you're referring to. All I'm saying is, he did not frustrate me the way sa Gilas versus sa Ginebra. But talking about Mike, another good thing na dinadala nito is we can get a naturalized player na talagang scorer. Yung hindi na yung malaki because of Mike. Now we have QMB, we have AJ, Kai, Mike. Now you can get, an 8-man in the NBA, like Tori Eason, for example. Tori Eason in Gilas will be amazing.
Dog.
Tari? You talking about Tari Eason?
Tari Eason, yeah. Tari
He
Eason.
would be dog. What do you mean, bro?
Right.
Tari Eason is not a scorer.
Yeah, but so was Marcus Doughty. But
I would give it
So,
more chance na we would see what's his name? Yung sa Blackwater? George King?
George King.
Yeah,
Oh,
George King.
Ibang klase si
Hey.
George King, no?
Hey, why stop with George King? Why not Cam Thomas? Cam Thomas.
Now we're
Cam
shooting for.
Thomas.
You know what? What about you, Kyle Kuzma?
No.
Interested daw siya, diba? No?
Yeah.
I'm interested. You know? Hirap nun,
Yeah.
hindi tayo magiging,
Yeah.
hindi tayo
I
magiging
think
fixture.
Well, we're not.
another thing here is you can actually now take Clarkson without any worry.
Yun pala si Clarkson. I
Yeah.
forgot about
You
that.
can now. This is not to say that Brownlee won't be there. Brownlee will be there for I think 2 or 3 more years, but now you can take Jordan Clarkson without worrying about size, right?
Mm.
Or worrying about all that. I think now he's given that, and plus with guys like Edu, Soto, Phillips, QMB,
Fajardo.
Fahar, not really Fahar, but then like yung mga plug and play type of players,
Okay. Yeah.
yung
Doesn't need the
brother,
ball.
they don't need to do that much. They don't need the ball to be dominant. Sila yung ganyan, yung mga ganyan type of player. So I think yun nga, Graham is right. It's been a while since we had a big man na naturalized player, but then now it opens up nga more opportunities. Plus, um, we've now seen that the TNT has the most connections to NBA players
Oo nga, no?
possibly of all time. Like
Dami
I
na lang,
think
no? Terrence Jones, mga NBA players talaga yung ano.
they've
Bro,
gotten NBA
Terrence
players.
Jones, RHJ,
RHJ,
mean,
Bol,
not just
like
TNT, pero yung whole MVP camp, like si Henry Walker with NLEX, di ba? They had, yeah,
Dude, si Jonathan Simons with NLEX. Remember when Jonathan
yeah,
Simons?
oo nga, no?
Undefeated
Tapos yung
NLEX nun. They were 8-0.
game before Hinebra, nawala. Si
No,
bro,
kasi may call up. I think he got a call up or something sa China ba yun?
yeah, oo
China,
nga, oo nga.
China.
Nagkaroon siya ng kontrata.
Pero it was an insane run, Jonathan Simons.
Bro, there
Dude,
was another guy
yeah.
na nakuha ng TNT, I forgot, but yeah. Si Glenn Rice Jr., yung sinakal si
Glenn
Kevin
Rice
Ferrer.
Jr.
Si Glenn Rice mga NBA.
Sinakal niya di niya
Si
sinakal
Kevin Ferrer. Tinulak
Tina-
niya sa liig, di
yeah,
ba?
tapos
Ginanon
tinapunan niya
niya.
ng bola, di ba?
Binato
Siya
niya
yun.
ng bola. Yeah,
Yeah.
so,
Dude, there are some legit NBA players. These aren't like G League dudes, huh? These are legit
oh,
NBA players who have come to the Philippines. So, dude, I doubt Bol becomes a naturalized Filipino. But, yun nga,
bro,
man,
yung Manny Harris pa. I remember this guy, Manny Harris. Nung
Manny Harris was
That
NLEX
was
also, di ba?
2019. Oo, yung number 1 sila nila Manny.
yeah.
Got beaten by Stan Hardinger and the crew in the quarters.
Paul
This guy's
Harris ba
great.
yung ano?
Paul Harris was yung
Ginebra?
pinalitan ni Brownlee.
Yeah.
Yeah, pero this guy, Manny Harris, was also good. So, yeah, MVP camp,
Galing.
something.
Dude, I'm surprised San Miguel doesn't have that parang NBA pipeline, no? Or baka did they choose to not to look for
parang
NBA
ganun
talent?
no?
Parang
To be
ayaw
fair,
nila
Jordan Adams was an NBA was NBA pipeline, brother.
Memphis, right? Pero he's not the same
Yung
level as
diba?
RHJ
Yung
or
Tony
yung mga-
Mitchell na Magnolia, that was NBA.
He was
That
alright.
an NBA player.
Isn't
Bro,
he playing for Macau?
merong import yung Ginebra, yung player ng Lakers, si was that Josh Powell?
Josh.
Import ng Ginebra yan, bro, yung kakampi ni
Josh
Kobe Bryant.
Powell.
Yeah, that was before Coach Tim Code.
Josh
Yeah, naglaro yun sa Ginebra mo, 2014 kang kumera.
Sino pa coach yun? Si Frankie Lim?
Could be Coach Ato, Frankie. Yeah, it could be that. Yeah, I remember that.
I don't
Josh.
If
Si
I remember
bro?
correctly also, didn't TNT have Lou Amundson?
Oh, bro, nung nga naglaro sa
Si
kanila
Lou
yun.
Amundson.
Lou Amundson.
Lou
That was 2016. Nung naglaro sa kanila yun.
Dude,
Amundson.
MVP
Hindi
camp
pa
has
NBA player,
us.
bro. Sino yun yung inaway ni Abueva? Pinag-uusapan lang natin.
Terrence Jones yun.
No, yung sa Ginebra. Yung, oh my God, yung inaway ni Abueva, we were just talking about him the other episode.
There's so many players who Calvin Abueva.
Oh my God, I forgot.
Anyway, next topic. Wala naman to sa ano.
But yeah, my point is like Graham is right,
Yeah.
man. With Mike, Q, AJ, and Kai, your big man rotation for the next 7-8 years. For the next 7-8 years is gonna be set. So you have a opportunity to get a real scoring option, which yun nga,
George King bagay.
Yeah, we've shown the ability, not we, MVP camp, have shown the ability of getting an actual NBA player to come to the Philippines.
Yeah.
So
Orlando
I would
Johnson man. Johnson. Sorry.
si
Orlando
OJ.
Johnson.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. You're right. Dude, I'm not gonna lie. I hate it. Graham said Cam Thomas. I don't mind it.
Right?
Like,
I mean,
I-
bro, Cam, bring your own ball, Thomas. That's
eh,
all he's gonna do.
mine was I like Kuzma. I don't know,
No,
but
no,
bro, Kyle can score, brother. Like,
no.
whatever. But yeah, you know what I mean. Like yeah, it gives that opportunity talaga.
Yeah.
But anyway, speaking of the NBA, ganda na segue natin. Kai Soto, meron daw, again, according to reports, na they're trying. We haven't verified anong klaseng contract what they're going for. Is it a standard contract? Is it a two-way contract? Kasi yung two-way contract, yung parang you need to play like 50 games and then they'll see if they will renew you. May mga ganong contract, diba? So, either way, I'm just happy with a I'm happy with a summer league contract, if you ask me. I'm happy if you even call it a contract. I feel like it's a
God
commitment, summer league.
forbid. God forbid the summer league coach doesn't put Kai Soto in, man. Remember yung
It's gonna
page
be
na
talked
Orlando
about.
Magic nung puro
Yeah.
angry react.
Oh, grabe.
Bakit yung pinapasok si Kai Soto?
In all honesty, man, that was a pretty not great version of Kai Soto at that time. I think at that time he was a little too heavy, a little too slow. So now he's a lot, dude. When you guys see Kai Soto on Koshigaya, he looks good, man. He looks genuinely good. Like he looks Zayn Mahmood UST 3x3
Zayn-
levels, bro. Like
Same
like
Oh my God.
like man against
Besmirching this man.
no, my point is like yung dominance na napapakita ni Kai sa Koshigaya recently has been good. I
Yeah.
don't know how true the rumors are na NBA opportunity siya. But I will say, if there's gonna be a team that might offer him that opportunity, I think it's the Brooklyn Nets. I think, because they have Nick Claxton, right? And I think Claxton and Kai Soto, yeah, then one is more agile, obviously, pero kapalitan ni Claxton could be Kai. I don't know which other team would give him a shot right now.
Sasabihin ng mga vlogger na ng gagatas, brother. Sacramento Kings. Why? Because of JB
Jimmy
Alabama.
Alabama.
It's not gonna happen. It is not going to happen.
Dude, with you lost Sabonis for the season. You lost
Kai Soto is not going to the NBA this season.
uh,
Wala,
you know,
patapos na eh. Hmm.
hey man, this is when you bring in random people, bro. This is
Remember
the time
Andre
you bring
Ingram?
Yeah, this is when you bring in Andre Ingram. This is when you're gonna see Yang Hansen. Like,
Kasi we've
bro,
been seeing Yang because he's a first round pick. We've been seeing him.
we barely see Yang Hansen, bro.
Yeah, 5 minutes lang. Pero iba yung kontrata naman ni Yang eh. Iba naman yun eh. First, ano yun, lottery. Wait, it's not lot. Is he
You guys
lottery?
see that
It's like
video?
13, 14 nata.
Si Yang guy, was it Yang like 8th?
Yeah, no. Hindi.
Lottery siya,
Nasa
di ba?
14, 15 siya. So
That's a
14,
lottery pa
15.
ba? Which is 14
13, parang.
or 13 yung lottery. That's the end of the lottery.
No, 14 is the end of the lottery.
Ah, okay. So he's a lottery pick. Yeah.
Yeah, he was a lottery pick.
So anyway, with Kai, where
No,
are we?
16? What?
Oh, he's
Is he
16.
number 16 or 16 pick? Let me check. I haven't watched the
What's the
Blazers.
difference between
Not
number
sure.
16 and 16th?
Yeah, that's the same.
No,
Graham.
number 16 is probably his jersey number. No, 16 is the 16th pick. Okay, see.
It's like labo.
It's like, was he number 16 or was he the 16th pick? What?
No. I was just saying that he could be wearing, kasi nakalagay sa Wikipedia, number 16. So he could be wearing number 16 and not be the 16th pick. But he's both. He's actually both. He's saying 16 and it's also 16.
Alright.
That guy's so funny. He's
Thanks,
actually
man.
both.
Well, thanks, I guess. But yeah, I don't know where he has the opportunity to go. But
Right now.
if he does have that chance, that's good on him, brother. I will say that's good on him. Kahit
Bro.
summer league contract nga, tama kayo, man.
I'm telling you. The
Masaya
San
sa summer
Antonio
league contract.
Spurs with Victor Wembanyama, Luke Cornett,
Oh my
and Kai
God.
Soto. They set a Guinness World Record for the tallest roster.
You guys do the nickname of Victor Wembanyama and Luke Cornett together.
What? No.
Dude,
Ano ba ulit yun?
apparently they're called French Vanilla.
French
Oh.
vanilla.
They're called French
Okay.
vanilla. I don't know how if you add Kai Soto there, I don't know what the nickname is gonna end up becoming.
Bro, it's very easy. It's halo-halo, man. I mean, you add the Filipinos twist to
I
a
like
dessert.
it. I like it. But yeah, good on Kai, brother. I think his performance sa Koshigaya has been a reason why may
Yeah.
chance siya umabot sa NBA. But I feel like it's a summer league contract or a 10 or exhibit 10.
G League call at best for now.
Yeah,
And
something
then
like
he
that.
can prove himself.
I agree. But they do. I have a question. Would you rather be a Japan B League Asian import
Superstar.
or a G League player?
G League, man.
G-League na lang.
You're,
Try to work
you're
your
one
way
step
to... And
closer
bata
to
pa
the
siya eh.
NBA. You're
Bata
one
pa.
step closer to the NBA pag nandun ka na. Like, the
Ayos.
scouts already see you. I mean, other than people who gamble in America, nobody watched the Japan B League. Diba? Because
People watch the Japan B League, man.
in the US, that's
Brother, where do you
actually
think they
very-
got Yuki Kawamura from?
yeah.
Actually, in the
No,
US,
no,
mahirap nga because of the time zone, Mario.
it's
Medyo
time
mahirap.
difference. Like,
Yeah, this
Mahirap
timing is
nga.
up. You're right. You're right.
that's all I want.
Doon si Yuki kumakain sa G-League, no? 2011, 2012.
I feel like Kai has a chance to dominate in the G League.
Yuki
Mga
15 and
Kawamura is the
14.
Japanese version of Facundo Campazo.
I
Parang-
would say Yuki
Or
is
Pablo
better than
Prigioni.
Facundo Campazzo.
Parang
Pablo
Yuki's better
Prigioni.
nga. Iba, Yuki's just 5'5 lang. Campazzo at least was 5'7, 5'8.
Yuki is
Kaya pa.
5'5".
It's 5'5.
That man is small. Sorry for the people who are 5'5".
Di ba nga, nakwento din nga ni Mandong na si Yuki Kawamura yung toughest matchup niya because he's just so smart and fast. I think kami ata ni Graham yung kasama niya nun. Di ba meron siya sinasabi na si Yuki Kawamura daw yung toughest matchup niya sa B-League.
He ain't wrong. I mean, he's the only one who got to the NBA.
Hey, Yuta Watanabe is there. What do you mean?
Yeah, oh yeah, Utah.
Is Utah nando pa ba? Di ba
Wala
umuwi
na, wala na.
No, he plays for Chiba. He plays for
Yeah.
Chiba.
Umuwi na.
Oh, teammate ni ano?
Yan na,
Ni QMB?
Yeah, he is a teammate of
Nice.
QM. He's a teammate of QM.
Anyway, yun lang naman guys. That's our big Gilas PBA bunch of news. Our next episode, if it's not uploaded yet, abangan nyo na lang, is the Gilas preview up against Australia and New Zealand. We're gonna go through their final 12, our chances. Feel free to subscribe, like, comment, subscribe on YouTube. 5-star rating on Spotify. See you all next time.
Adios, amigos.